As the world makes changes and you start taking work trips, traveling for work becomes something new. Even before the pandemic, I traveled a lot for work and became a minimal packer to fit my capsule wardrobe and my tech I need all in one backpack. A backpack that I'm able to carry on to planes and fit all my clothes and gear for short trips up to a week. In this video, I'm going to share my tech backpack for traveling for work in hopes to help you if you are also getting back into traveling for work. This is my tech backpack I've used for years by a company called Aer, and this backpack is called the Travel Pack. This is the original travel pack because since this backpack, Aer has created 2 reiterations or upgrades and currently selling the Travel Pack 3. I've thought about upgrading, but this is still doing the job. Now, you don't have to get the brand Aer, and this isn't sponsored in any way by Aer, but have been happy with the quality of this bag. So let's get into this bag and why I love it. First, this is a simple but modern look. It has a tough exterior with 1680D Cordura ballistic nylon, very strong. It's very difficult to scratch this, rip resistance, and it has strong YKK zippers. What's nice about these zippers, they're super thick. Now, I have used different bags in the past, just like all of you. I've had soft or hard shell, and the zippers is the first to go. These zippers are definitely high quality. It's lasted me for years, and it's still gonna last me probably even more years. What's great about this, it has lots of exterior pockets. We have pockets with right here on the side, which is also a water bottle holder. So which is nice. You can put a water bottle holder. You can put a water bottle right on this bag, so when you're traveling, it's at easy access. Right here in the front, what's really nice is that it has a top zipper here where you can slip in a magazine, or you can even put, let's say, even an iPad just for easy grab. For me, I like to put maybe my tickets or even just a newspaper or magazine just to have right here and easy to get to. Even has a bottom pocket. Now, I believe the newer travel packs don't have this bottom pocket. It just has the middle pocket. So I feel pretty lucky to still have the original. But this is where I like to keep just some charging bricks and most importantly, a flashlight. When I travel, I always have a flashlight ready to go just for emergencies. A little heavy duty too. So if I ever get into a ruckus, this will help me somewhat to run through the night, but that's in the bottom there. So this does have some pockets here as well before we get into the internal larger pocket. And when I open this pocket here, it kind of gives you some more kind of organization where you can put other things as well. This is where I do like to put my iPad. It's still under a couple zippers, so just in case, just for safety, I do have it in there. Here, this is where I'll put some easy things to grab, like my Apple Pencil, again, some pens, anything else like that. I also have an Amazon Fire Stick. I love traveling with an Amazon Fire Stick, so if I am in a hotel room, I can still have access to my Netflix, my Amazon Prime, YouTube, and I can just put this into the TV in my hotel room and still use my account. So I have that in there, and then there are some other internal pockets as well. This is where I'll put just a wall charger for my MacBook. In this case, it's for my MacBook Pro. I think this is the 85 or the 90 watt power brick. I also have like a Mophie juice pack. It's a wireless charger. So for my iPhone, I don't have to worry about putting anything. And this is great. I think this has 10,000 milliamps, kind of gives you the indicator there. And also has another USB to charge my iPad as well. With that being said, I also have my cables, in there. And I also can't leave while traveling my Bluetooth headphones. So these are the Powerbeats Pros. I love these because they're easy to access, 5-minute charge. I can go to the gym. I can use these on the plane. And also when I'm in the hotel room, I can also use them with my MacBook Pro while I'm working, listening to music, etc., without disturbing anyone else in the hotel. And that is kind of the interior pocket. And right on the top as well, it has another pocket. It's kind of like a little sneaky pocket where I put like my sunglasses, or I put my reading glasses. And I can also put my keys in there as well, which is nice, just easy access. And then we get into the main pocket. So this is the large storage space. That is massive and fits everything that I need. So in this bag, I'll kind of show you here. It has my toiletries. I have a Bluetooth speaker as well. And I have a packing cube. So this can actually fit 2 packing cubes as well as my toiletries. What I like to do is just use 1 packing cube. And then I bring a pair of shoes. So I usually bring 2 pairs on a trip. One that is a little bit more sporty, make it easy to travel with. So sneakers, also for comfort on travel days. And if I want to go to the gym, dual purpose. And then I have like a nicer pair of shoes, dressier shoes that I'll have in the internal pocket. So this is where I'll put this, as well as if I'm planning to bring a mic, like a USB mic. My travel mic of choice used to be the Q2U. Now it's going to be the fine K80. This thing is amazing. It's USB-C shock mount. This will just unscrew and literally comes apart just like that. It's actually pretty lightweight. Just don't lose this piece here. I can pack this as well in this bag with no worry. So those are like the main components or the main storage spaces for this backpack. What makes this amazing for me when I'm traveling, when it comes to my most important tech that I like to bring, or my most important gear, is that in the very back, most backpacks have these today, is a laptop slot. What's nice and unique about this is actually suspended, and it fits laptops up to 16 inches, and it fits my 15-inch MacBook Pro 2016, nice and easy. I like to travel with a MacBook or a MacBook Pro. It's nice. I like a larger screen, so this makes it really easy, and it's suspended, so if I do drop my backpack, it's not an issue. What's also great about this as well, with this particular backpack, is that it has nice, thick pads for the shoulder straps, which is really, really nice. It also has this airflow channel, so if you are getting pretty sweaty or getting warm, it has a nice channel here. It's nice and padded, good distribution of weight. This can get pretty heavy if you are packing everything, especially if you're packing for a week or so. It's funny how heavy clothes can be, including some gear, and that's when those ounces and pounds kind of make a difference. So this is the bag I use, and if you have something similar or looking for something smaller, not only do you want a bag that has enough space for all your gear, but you also want it small enough to pass through a carry-on if taking a plane. And the next thing you want to think about is comfort. Now, if you're liking this bag, the Travel Pack 3 has a similar look and feel with upgrades. I'll add some links below with some other bags as well that might be the right fit and comfort for you. So I went through my tech bag or my tech backpack for traveling for work. The question is though, why a backpack when you can get a typical hard or soft shell carry-on with wheels? One, your typical carry-on won't fit all the plane's carry-on maximum size and ends up getting checked in. For me, traveling a lot, when I've had to do that, I've actually lost at least 6 packages or 6 bags and haven't been able to get my bag in time for my travel or for my work days. Secondly, a typical carry-on doesn't have exterior pockets or easy access to your tech gear like a laptop or iPad. Thirdly, depending on how much you travel and where you travel, the wheels get damaged or, like me, start to make a loud squeaking sound that becomes unbearable and you end up replacing it anyways. With that in mind, the weight of the bag, like I said earlier, can get quite heavy, and there are accessories you can buy for the Travel Pack 3, which is the upgraded version of what I have. And some of the bags mentioned in the description might even come with this one accessory that really helps out. It's a hip belt to take some of that load and distribute it better for better comfort and weight distribution. Now, with this bag, saying that one upgrade is one thing that is a downfall of the backpack that I have right now, the original Travel Pack. I wish I could get a hip belt. I haven't had to use a hip belt because this does have a side handle so I can hold it like a briefcase. And when I'm traveling for work, typically it's in larger cities, so it's not as if I have it on my back for long periods of time. Typically just walking through the airport or once I get into a taxi or Uber or rent a car. That being said, when I do upgrade, I will add that accessory. So hopefully this helps in any way when you have to travel and want to be as minimal as possible. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to watch more videos, go ahead and click here. And if you want to watch one of my newest videos, you can click over here. Be safe, stay awesome, and I'll catch you in the next one.